Hey guys, Sally here. Hope you're having an amazing and fascinating day. I'm switching it up a little bit. I've decided that I'm going to basically start updating my videos from the time that I got this rig, Henry, instead of trying to do the past stuff that's pretty far behind. One of the reasons is I'm trying to get a little more real time. So I got Henry first week in August, and this is now the second week in October. So I want to get a little closer to real time for you guys. And we're going to get into that in just a minute. What we're looking at today is getting out to Elkhart, Indiana, where I go visit Phoenix Cruiser. And I'm going to apologize in advance. I did lose some of my footage from the factory tour, but still pretty interesting. We're doing a drive and talk along the way, taking a look at a little bit of scenery, that kind of stuff. So we'll get right into that as soon as we roll the intro. And as always, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. If you are subscribed, please double check to make sure you still are, because YouTube unsubscribes people. And it really helps if you hit that thumbs up and, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. We're leaving behind this lovely Harvest Toast location, which was the wellness center in Bartlett.
West Bartlett Avenue.
And we are heading for Elkhart, Indiana today. What happens in Elkhart? That's where the vast majority of RVs are made. And in fact, Phoenix Cruisers are made in Elkhart at Phoenix, USA. So I'm going there today. I'm going to spend the night in their parking lot, so that I can do a factory tour tomorrow. I think we're going to be stuck on some tollways today. We'll see how that goes. Tires lost a fair amount of pressure overnight, so we're going to have to get that addressed sooner rather than later. And in the meantime, while we drive, I'm charging the Jackery, and the Jackery is charging my Ryobi battery, so that I'll have two big batteries ready to go for air tire refill. Well, we'll see whether or not telling Google to avoid tolls and ferries was a good idea, since there seems to be a pretty significant amount of traffic on the surface streets here wherever I am in Illinois at the moment. And apparently they're... What? What are they doing? Oh, I guess it is snowing. Yep. I used to do that. Had a county contract, and I didn't have a reel mower that was quite that good, so it was pretty difficult and involved a lot more weed eating. Oh, so I guess we're in Elmhurst, wherever that is. What do you say, Kitster? Are you enjoying looking out the window? So we're skirting around... What lake is Chicago on? Might be Superior. I think it's Superior. And avoiding Chicago. So I'm going south a fair amount, and then we'll be kind of pretty much due east to get over to Elkhart. Having finished up Walmart, $78 later.
Turn right onto Elkhart Road, Lincoln Way West.
We are on our way to our destination. It's 11 miles away. It says 19 minutes, and it's probably going to be closed when we get there. We just went by Grand Design, so we're definitely in Elkhart. Alliance is over there on the right. No idea what this is. Probably some other manufacturers back there to the right on that industrial park. Hey, cute boy. You got squinty eyes. How come you got squinty eyes? We're almost done, Kit. 7 minutes. Vallejo. They make parks, I think. Weingard. There's your antennas and stuff coming up here on the left. Oh, Truma's on the right there. Lippert's on the right. I'm sure they've got more than one plant. Oh, this green grass. Interesting looking pavement.
Your destination is on the right.
All right, let's get parked. All right, we are here at the Phoenix Cruiser factory. That over there, that was really bad English. That's the first station. Comes in with upgraded MoreRide suspension. MoreRide does their stretches. Pretty cool. And now all the chassis are coming in with cabs fully loaded. Mine's used, so that's not really true. And then we come over to this station, and this is where all the flooring goes in, and all of the cutouts are fully metal framed. And this is 1/2-inch OSB. Cool. Cool. Taking a look at the wiring board here. That's the next station as we're moving on through.
There's going to be recased also.
What does recased mean?
It's going to be, instead of looking like that, it's going to be cased over top.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Everything's got a lock on the roof, one piece, side of that.
What are they typically?
What do you know,
What are roofs typically?
a lot of people put a rubber roof on and stuff like that.
So this is actually going to last longer.
Yeah.
Do you have to refinish it at all, or just reseal the openings?
You got to reseal your vents, all around your air conditioner, around everything that's up there. You need to put a die-core self-leveling
Right.
caulk on it to reseal that stuff. But that's about it.